Artemis 2. NASA completes key rocket assembly for lunar mission. NASA has achieved a major milestone in its Artemis program, successfully stacking the Orion spacecraft onto the Space Launch System, SLS rocket. This integration, performed at the Kennedy Space Center in Florida, clears a critical path toward Artemis 2, the first crewed mission to orbit the moon in over 50 years. The significance of Artemis 2 isn't just another spaceflight. It's a pivotal test of NASA's next-generation hardware. The mission, scheduled for early 2026, will carry astronauts Reed Wiseman, Victor Glover, Christina Koch, and Jeremy Hansen of the Canadian Space Agency on a roughly 10-day journey around the moon. The mission's primary objective is validation. Unlike the Apollo landings, Artemis 2 will not land on the lunar surface. Instead, it focuses on proving the SLS rocket and Orion spacecraft can reliably support human life in deep space. This includes testing life support systems, navigation, communications, and the critical heat shield designed to withstand re-entry speeds of up to 25,000 mph. This is important because future missions depend on this verification. Without it, NASA cannot confidently proceed with long-duration lunar stays or, eventually, human missions to Mars. How it works: a gravity-assisted journey Artemis 2 will utilize a hybrid free-return trajectory. This means the spacecraft will loop around the moon using gravitational forces, minimizing the need for constant rocket burns. This approach is a built-in safety feature for early crewed missions. If something goes wrong, gravity naturally guides the Orion back toward Earth. The Orion spacecraft itself is designed to serve as both transportation and a habitat for the crew. It incorporates advanced radiation shielding, state-of-the-art avionics, and life support systems capable of sustaining astronauts for the duration of the mission. Why this matters beyond the moon: Artemis 2 isn't just about revisiting the moon. According to NASA, its success will lay the groundwork for building the Gateway lunar orbiting platform, developing infrastructure on the lunar surface, preparing for future crewed missions to Mars. Artemis 2 is a foundational step toward establishing a sustained human presence on and around the moon. NASA, the program, represents a long-term investment in deep space exploration, leveraging lessons from Apollo to build a more sustainable and ambitious future in space. The completion of this rocket assembly marks not just a technical achievement, but a clear signal of NASA's renewed commitment to human space exploration.